Well, good morning. Sunday again today, and it's a week on from when I couldn't go out for a ride because of me puncture. So Steve is currently up in Scotland. He's up flitting around with Alex up there around the Cairngorms area and all that lot. He's staying with Alex. Nick is doing what Nick does, taxi service and tip runs and shopping and everything else. And I thought, oh well, we're not going out this weekend then. And then I got a text from the Yeti. Anyone about for a ride the weekend? So I thought, well, it'll be rude not to. Wish me luck. I'll see if I can come home alive from this one. He do like to get a spank on, does Johnny? As we all do, but that KTM of his certainly bloody shifts. Alright, Johnny's not here quite yet. Oh, yes he is. And he's fueled up. Johnny! I thought, shall I bother filling up? I'm probably only going to get a tenner in it.
Yeah, we're on the same level then, aren't we? No, I can't compete with this.
Eh?
The tank on this is fucking huge, isn't it?
No, it's only a normal one.
Oh, is it? Oh, fair.
Yeah, I took one of those adventures out.
Yeah.
Fuck me, it was like shagging a fat bird.
Well, there's more to grip onto, isn't there?
Yeah, but you've always got it in your head, if you fall off, is that fat fucker going to land on you? Now we're recording. Yeah.
I think mine's still on. Yeah, it seems to be.
Yes, can't beat a bit of faffage.
Plenty of faffage. God. It's gone up by a magnitude of 10.
Aye, aye, playtime.
Oh,
Nice.
that's nice. Very nice.
Another cat. GS.
I do fancy that Strada.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, watch out.
Yeah, he can fucking wait. See you, bud. All right.
Yep.
I'd say this tyre is nice, new and shiny.
Say that again?
My tyre is nice, new and shiny.
Oh my God, I can barely hear you. My
Oh,
volume's right up.
is it?
Yeah.
Have you got your 3.5mm plug push right in?
Oh, bloody hell, it's like you're in another room.
Turn the volume up while I'm
Yeah, my volume's right up.
yeah, but turn it up while I'm actually talking, because otherwise it's adjusting volumes of other stuff.
Oh, I can't hear a word you're saying. I could hear you when we're at the petrol station, but as soon as we're on the road, I can't hear you anymore.
Hang on a minute. Just talk a minute.
Just check I'm not being an idiot and I'm turning the wrong way. Talk to me now.
Yeah, talking.
There you go, I can hear you now. I was just being an idiot, I was pushing it the wrong way.
Oh, you turned me down.
Yeah,
It's alright, I'm used to being fucking turned down.
Like your teenage years all over again, eh?
It is. I said I got to watch this tyre for about 50 mile
Fair enough.
because it's brand new.
Okay. Did you do both or just the one?
No, well, the front one was fairly new anyway. I was telling the others when we were riding a few times about, we stayed in all them hostels, didn't we, in Scotland?
Yeah.
And seeing you in a fucking bunk bed with half your legs hanging over the end.
Jason's similar, he's a tall boy as well, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite a sight. It was a stinky room, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, fucking hell.
You snoring like a train and farting. The rest of us farting.
But I don't snore now because I have to wear a mask every night.
Yeah, you look like bloody Darth Vader now, don't you?
Yeah, I've got that fucking CPAP. Fuck's sake.
They're not quiet machines either, are they?
Oh, they are now. Yeah, they are
Oh, are
now.
they?
Yeah, my missus says she
okay.
can't even hear it.
Oh, fair enough.
But, yeah, they fucking look like Bane out of the Batman movie. Fucking.
I bet that keeps the romance going, doesn't it?
I say to her, because when you take it off and you can hear the air ramming, you know, and it
Yeah,
really
yeah.
does force the air in here.
Yeah.
And because BiPAP pushes it in, sucks it out, CPAP just permanently rams the air in. So every time
Right.
you breathe in, it really forces it in. And but yeah, I was hoping to get off of it, but when you look at how it records it, every night I'm having like, bear in mind I was having 15 events an hour of stopping breathing
Right.
in my sleep. I've gone, it's like an average now of about 0.4, 0.6 with that
For a minute.
with the machine on.
Wow.
So it's working.
Yeah.
Because I said to her, I don't fucking need it now. Look, I'm not having it. She said, yeah, that's because the machine's doing what it's supposed to. She said, you ain't getting out of it that easy. Right, this fucker's pissing me off, ruining a good road. It's clear.
Thank you.
Still clear. He says, got to take it easy with them tyres.
Oh. Well, I've been out on this road for a while.
We're not.
The camera on your rear box flaps around quite a bit. I guess the stabilisation works quite well though.
Oh yeah, yeah, as good as gold. Unless the mount's coming loose. Or I haven't clipped it on properly.
I'll have to catch it in my mouth.
Me screen that I've got at the Carpia ride one I had, 7-inch
Yeah.
screen, so it just mirrors your phone for your sat nav.
Okay.
We're riding through the forest of Bowland and the bastard fell off.
Oh.
Now I leave it on because it locks with the BMW key, it locks it on the mount. So
Yeah.
we stayed in a travel lodge and I reckon some fucker was trying to jimmy it off through the night.
Okay.
Because both points where it clips into the bracket, the BMW bracket, was snapped.
Right. I always take my GoPro off at the end of the ride. I just can't trust that some dickhead won't come and try and nick it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure GoPro's going to be around for much longer. They really fucked themselves on keeping themselves relevant.
I know. Have you seen the price of that new fucker?
What's that?
The new GoPro. Oh, fuck
Yeah.
off. Were you driving there?
It's got a tank.
Jesus. Yeah.
No, I haven't seen the new one. What's the deal with that?
Fucking hell, £400-500 odd pound. And
Jesus.
the lens on it is fucking massive. You know, like
Oh, is
these
it an ultra wide thing?
yeah, you know these DSLR cameras with the big lenses on. It's like one of
Yeah,
them.
yeah. Okay.
When we stop and have brekkie, have a look, Google it and have a look. They are
Okay.
fucking massive.
So they're trying to go for the sort of cinematographer.
Yeah,
type
yeah. I mean,
angle.
I still stand by it. I still think GoPro's image quality is fucking fantastic. But DJI I found by far the most reliable.
Yes.
Everything's wireless. It pairs up fucking seamlessly. I mean, the bloke who numbered come up with a numbering system for the GoPro file system. It's like the DJI will say the date, the time, and file 1, file 2, file 3. So it all goes sequential.
Oh, it's one of those tent boxes. An adventurous bastard.
What a cock.
She goes camping once a year. And she wants everyone to know about it. Smell that wild garlic?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Remember, he's tired.
I keep my eye out on for different and new bikes, but I just can't find anything that's as tall as this.
No.
This is
Just
firmly staying in my garage for the
Watch
moment.
this junction there. Fuckers come out of there.
Half cut from the pub. Oh, hello. You don't want to kiss him, do you? Fucking hell. Oh, Jack.
I want to be arguing with him. Yeah, it smells lovely, that wild garlic, doesn't it?
Yeah. And the rape, I love it with the start of spring when the rape's in season. It smells amazing.
There's another YouTube ban inbound mentioning rape.
Love the smell of rape.
I've been banned 3 times.
Have you? Why?
Once for showing my bare ass on a thumbnail. You can show it in the video. You can't show it on a thumbnail, apparently.
Ah, okay.
So I had
Can you blur it out?
I had a 3-day ban.
Right.
The next one I mouthed off it, told him what a prick he was, and he reported me. Then I got another 3-day ban. What was the third one? I can't remember what the third one was for.
Well, they taught you a lesson then.
But it's funny because since you bastard, g'day. Since I've been leaving all the swearing in, I've gone. My fucking subs are gone do Rallye because people say so nice to see a channel that's not politically correct and you know you're just fucking normal.
Just real.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Just fucker on the right.
Okay.
I just
He's
saw
creeping.
I just saw his rooftop when he crept up to the junction.
Yeah. Even when you went past, he was still creeping. He thought, fucking hell, look at the size of him, and then he thought, fucking hell, look at the size of him.
It's a fucking cement mixer.
The Yeti's out to play.
I tell you, comms are so fucking good, aren't they, for overtakes and shit.
Yeah.
I'm sure some car drivers think, fuck me, what is he overtaking there?
I'm so used to wearing my foam earplugs, I don't get that deep sort of rumbly noise from the engine. It's actually quite nice to listen to with these plugs in. Every time we overtake something, I get a nice growler coming out.
Yeah, fucking beast, isn't it?
An Austrian growler.
In ginger.
A ginger growler. Coming to screens near you.